We are Group 8, and my name is Li Yanpeng. The other team member is called Lu Yao. The name of our group project is X Poker. It's a poker ledger tool. All right. So first, let's have a look at our background research. Nowadays, a lot of people may choose to play poker games in their spare time. Maybe poker games is not very popular in China, especially mainland, but Chinese mahjong, which is very famous and popular alternative, people choose in their spare time. So anyway, in the product we plan to develop is basically the same kind of game, right? But when you are playing, like you are in a session of poker game, sometimes you may need some application to help you, like track your hands and help you calculate, do the math simultaneously, or like if you're a regular player, you may need some application to help you track your history, your win and loss in the last months, things like that. There are some very well developed applications in the market for now. Like on the left here, you can see Poker Bankroll Tracker. It is very comprehensive, sophisticated, but also very complicated. You can see here you have many data to track, like for your last session. It even have a community. You can see how your friends going, and there are some charts, pie charts, line charts to track your profit, your win and loss rate, and it even has some hand replayer. It's very sophisticated, comprehensive, but I think it's too heavy for beginners or some light users. So let's see another alternative on the right here. It's called Depu Jizhang in Chinese. Is a WeChat mini program. It is very popular as well. Some people, especially some of our friends, may use this to track our sessions, but the data is stored locally, so which means only the monitor of the session can edit the buy-ins, the cash out of the game, and other players cannot see the data. So sometimes this may cause many troubles. And so after these background research, we've come with this chart to see some pros and cons of the applications we've tested. Like, it's mainly into three categories: win and loss recording, real-time room, session monitor. Okay, so we plan to develop an application that have win and loss recording, a real-time room, session monitor, and we hope it have a clean and clear UI format. So it's quite light but very functional, right? So the tech stack we choose is quite common. Front end we use TypeScript plus npm and Webpack, and IDE we use is WeChat developer tool, which is quite common for WeChat mini program developing. Backend we choose is Java Spring Boot, and database is MySQL. It's actually a front-end heavy project. For back-end and database is mainly for some quite easy HTTP request, and the database is mainly for the storage of the sessions, okay, for the safety of the customers. All right. Here's some basic features of the product we develop. First is the real-time room monitor I just mentioned, right? You can see on the first two screenshots on the top here. It's actually in a room already, right? You can see three players here. Like in the first screenshot, my name is Nick, and two peers in the players. And I already lost 60 credits to this Chinese guy. And like in this hand, I lost 90 credits to the first player. So I just easily click transfer here and input the credit I lost and press confirm, and it will change simultaneously to all the players in a room, so they can see the updated data anytime they want. And also the ledger tool is more like a self-center. Like, you can track, like if you click the history credits here, this bar will show up, and you can scroll up and down to have a look at how your session goes. You can see the total win and loss, your profit in the history, and We've already put this into use a month ago. Like for me myself, I'm a super fan of poker games, so I collect many feedbacks from my friends, and we plan to have future updates based on these feedbacks. Like first, some friends of me suggest to put up a feature to record their hands, which is I think is very important in poker games. I planned this use case in the first time in the very beginning of our development, but is actually very complicated feature. So I haven't finished yet, so I didn't put it in our final report. MVP version, and maybe more customization like chess in the room, change your name, change your nickname. We've already made that happen. Like here, you can change your nickname, all right, and support multiple languages. Like at the very beginning of this project, well, we hope to collect more feedbacks, so we use Mandarin as its main language, and we are using other libraries to support other languages like English, and so that's that's kind of a mistake, but we use it to buy some time. So that's all about our product, the X Poker, and I hope you enjoy our presentation. And that's all. Thank you very much.